Yo.
So now is the fun part. The car is insanely dirty and now it's time for me to clean it. I wonder how many car washes I would have to go through and to actually get rid of all of this dust and mud. I'll show how dirty the car is once I get to the car wash.
Yo.
So here what it looks like now. I hope camera will pick everything up. Well, in addition to a bunch of bugs in the front and everything being dusty inside of the wheels, brakes everywhere, wheel wells, undercarriage. Look at this windshield. This is all just layers of mud and everything, just packed. The rear end is the worst.
Yo.
Good excuse to have a nice detail. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for my turn at the car wash. Everyone decided to wash their cars now, so it will take a little bit. Okay, so I've kind of washed the car. Back at the shop to wipe it down and detail the interior. Let me show you what it looks like after 3 times spraying the car, then just with just regular water, rinsing it, and then spraying it with soap, and then hand washing it with nice soap and the chamois, and still looks like this. Anyway, so obviously in between the gaskets there are still, and trims, there are still plenty of sand left and dust. Over here a bunch of marks and some sand spots over here too. The windows need to be cleaned, really nice. Somewhat over here, probably camera is not gonna pick it up, but I'm gonna show it. Obviously watermarks in here. I mean, of course it looks better. Now you can finally see the color. Now it's metallic versus before that it was matte, just because of the amount of sand the car had on the body. been probably almost 4 hours. I'm using my tripod as a selfie stick, but anyhow. So I think I had a few time lapses. I've wiped down the interior, vacuumed everything, and then wiped it down with another round of conditioner. That way leather will stay nice and lubricated, I would say moisturized, because after all this dust and everything, it was so freaking dry and dirty, and it was horrible. It's been a while since my car was this dirty, but it was definitely worth it. I've cleaned the windows everywhere, finally. For some reason, everybody's being lazy and forgetting about cleaning windows, but it's so important because you want to see clear. Also, I've cleaned the wheels, trunk, engine bay. I think that's pretty much it. And for now, one last thing that's left would be just to wipe down the body with a quick detailer. I think I've showed this thing in the video before. It's just really nice product. Maguire's quick detailer. Just mist and wipe down. And I think that will be it for today.